So my daughter was riding with me, we were driving along, and then a person like 3 or 4 cars ahead of us just stopped to turn into a business. But then I looked in the rear view and I noticed that I don't think that guy's he's not stopping yet, and it doesn't look like he's going to stop. By the time he realized he needed to stop, and by the time he hit his brakes, he slid and he hit the corner of our car. But the main thing I was worried about is like neck injuries for my daughter. So you don't want your daughter, 12-year-old daughter, to have chronic pain or injury for the rest of her life because some guy wasn't paying attention and rear-ended you. As soon as the accident happened, I contacted Scott. You know, he said, get the police there, get a police report, which we did. We got the insurance information of the guy who hit us, and then immediately after that, go to the emergency room, get observation. So I took my daughter, myself, we went to the emergency room, got observation. Being in the military, being a Marine, Scott is the guy who would do anything for anyone, really. I mean, he's just that kind of guy. If anyone knows Scott, they know that whatever he does it 110%, right? Like he goes all in on whatever it is. So we felt like when he had our case, that was his focus, right? His focus was get the best outcome for this case. They're very good at the communication, very good at the explanation, and very good at leading us through the process, right? We felt like we were the only thing that they were working on, and they were working just for us. Yeah, I would highly recommend Scott Pryor Law. They're knowledgeable, right? They're trustworthy, and they're personable. Scott and his team, they feel like friends when they work with you. So during a time when you're in pain and you're not able to do things you can normally do, now you have a comfort in the fact that someone is working to make that situation better for you. And that's what we felt like.